Today I would like to share you how to get C Flip 4 live wallpaper for any of your Android device because recently Samsung released their new C Flip 4 and it includes the new live wallpaper. Now let me show you how to get it, and this is my Note 20 Ultra. So what you're gonna do is to go into Chrome, then you're gonna search for C Flip 4 live wallpaper, then you're gonna click on the first link here, and now you need to scroll down until you find this one. You need to download the file. It is about 80 megabyte. Now click on this button. Now click on primary download. It's gonna pop up the download screen. So now let me click on download here, and you can see it is about 8 megabyte. It is not that big. It includes live wallpaper and it also includes the still wallpaper as well. Now it's done. I can go ahead and tap on it. It's gonna go into file apps. So now let me click on extract and extract one more time. It's gonna extract here. You're gonna find 3 folders. You have like still wallpaper and you have live wallpaper as well. And before you be able to set this as a lock screen or the home screen wallpaper, you need to convert first, and you're gonna search for video to live, and you're gonna select the first one. This is completely free. After download, click on open, and now from here click on all to live, and then you're gonna be able to select the video that you have just downloaded at the moment. Let me select this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on set live wallpaper here, and now click on set live wallpaper, and then you should be able to set both from your lock screen or from your home screen as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and select both here, and when I go back you can see we have this amazing Z Flip 4 live wallpaper on your Android device. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.